Hey everybody, good morning. My name is Alexander. Today is 13th June 2023, and this is my chart breakdown for today. A recap from Thursday, we had AU around here. I said if this high still holds, then we'll push it lower. If it breaks, then we want to see it go a little bit higher. Currently, we saw it push higher, break that high, and continue to push. What do we expect now? There is some type of high here, that tiny high there. If it gets there and rejects, then we push the market lower. There is some type of resistance all around this level, a supply and demand, that if you draw like this, you'd see that the market is currently at that level. So if that level still holds, Alxnda square will look for a break of this tiny level here, and once it's broken, then we start to push the market lower. EUR USD was around here. I said if this high still was holding, we'll push the market lower. If it breaks, then we have a long way to go. You see how it fared. It broke, came back to retest it, and has pushed. Yesterday, I saw this setup, but it was past my 6 p.m. trading time, so I didn't take it. I would have been over 30 pips up just to this level times scalp. Currently, we are around this level here. We're around this level here, so we want to see how the market would fare. Potentially, we might see a rejection and a break of this low here, a break of this low here, and we resume the market to push. We expect the market to push a little bit lower. And if it pushes lower and finally breaks this low here, that is the final straw. Then we resume the bearish pressure. For now, it's just a counter trend of bullish pushes to the upside. All right. USD CHF, if you remember, the market was around here. I said this high here, if this high fails to break, then we push it. You see pushed downwards. On Friday, I wanted the market to come back down to around this level so I can buy. It did not do that, continue to push. You see that it has come back to that level, has taken out everybody that were in that entry initially. So what do we expect now? If this high still holds, Alxnda square, but if it starts to give higher lows, then we know that this high is definitely going to break. Today is CPI, so we would want to wait to see what the market wants to do. If it starts to push lower, it has a lot of room to push lower. If it starts to break higher, then we know that it wants to break high and push higher. All right. BTC just kept pushing down and consolidated. Nothing really. It's giving lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So potentially we might see a lower low. If that does not happen and this high breaks here, then we start to push the market higher. All right. So that's all for my chart breakdown. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Take care. Goodbye and God bless.